Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. I know you can see my face while saying this. I'm doing a voiceover this time. We're preparing for back to school. Back to school is here and we're preparing. This is our first day of school. We're preparing for back to school. So we're doing everything, whatever we have to do to make us feel cute, whatever we have to do to boost our self-esteem. I use the nerve for my eyebrows and my mustache. Oh my god, I'm busting out. See how I look? I look like a grandpa, yo. I look like someone's grandpa. And now to scrub our lips, looking ashy like hell. No. So we're using coconut oil and sugar. You could use brown sugar, you could use white sugar, whatever sugar you have at home. Use it for your mouth. You scrub your lip. It will make it look juicy. You don't want to be ashy. You don't want to look cute everywhere and your lips look ashy. Basically, that's what you do to make your lips look juicy. See how it looks? Oh my god, that's my wow. It looks super juicy. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Yo, oh my god, I be cracking myself up. You know what the YouTubers be doing? Look at that. Oh my god. When they're trying to show you their product, how it looks like, trying to zoom in on the camera, trying to make you see how it looks. And sometimes the camera doesn't really capture it, so they got to zoom in. And the faces they've been making is so funny to me. I'll be cracking myself up. So school is back in effect. Let me be honest. Can I be honest for a quick minute? Oh my. Let me be honest. I'm really scared about this semester. I'm really scared. I know you might be too, but I'm here today. I'm here to tell you we can do this together. No matter how many trials and tribulations, whatever we face through this semester, we're gonna make it through. We're gonna make it through. Say with me, we are making it through. Because some of us, school is our only escape route. School is the only place we have our peace. Some of us there, we have an abusive family. There are a lot of stuff going on. So school is the only escape. But now with all the stuff that's happening, with we're now in Zoom University, Zoom online, we can't go out of school and make it our escape no more. So now we have to study at home. Which is going to be a bit tough for some of us, but we're going to make it through. We're going to be responsible and accountable this time around. So I have a journal. I bought a journal this time to make sure I'm online and I'm on track. Please come with me on this journey. We have to do this together. No matter what life throws at us, we are making it true. We want to make ourselves proud. When you do, let me tell you something. When you put in all your effort, do or whatever you have to do, and continue praying whilst you're studying, leave whatever you have to leave in God, leave everything in God's hand. At the end of it all, you'll be so happy and glad you did. So make sure we moisturize our hair. We want to keep our hair healthy, our natural hair healthy. We just don't want to look good on the outside, and when we take our wig off, we look like a clown. Right? Buy yourself a gift. If you make your A's or even a big plus, whatever grades you want to make, buy yourself a gift for doing that, and you'll be so happy you did that. For December, if I pass with A's, so let's do that too. Whatever target you have, it's not supposed to be a big amount of money. Whatever you have, make it work. And now to the hair. Lazy hair routine. I use an iron to flat iron my hair, to straighten my hair most of the time when I feel lazy to use the flat iron. The flat iron takes quite some time. So when you use the iron that I used to press on the side, you see now it's flat, like flat. That's what I'll be doing. So I'm going to flat iron my hair now.
My level up.
It's back.
Maybe today I don't get nothing, but tomorrow I go get something. And I go buy the motor for mama. But the enemy won't worry me. I go show all of them tragedy. No be today, we start to. So if I sing my song, if I keep up for long,
I'm gonna wear my back to school outfit and I'm gonna be back, okay? I didn't want to do too much for school, so the best thing I did was to put on a hoodie and a regular sweatpants just to be comfortable, because you'll be at home. Don't forget, comfortable and cute. You're looking comfortable and cute whilst at Zoom University.